The process. 1. Separate the Skittles into different groups of color. 2. Arrange the Skittles in a circle on a plate. 3. Measure the water. 4. Pour the water on the plate.
The background behind this thing, when the Skittles are put in water, the dye and the sugar will spread out this diffusion, and how the rainbow Skittles, like the dials, and color will spread in different bands in different directions, like the red goes that way, the green goes that way, etc. This is because of the water, and this excluded will show you about the solubility, diffusion, and how temperature affects the solution. Yeah, that's pretty much it.